Hi, we are in November 2020, and Facebook has rolled out a new look for Facebook business pages and personal profile, which makes it super complicated for the average person to figure out where on earth is my Facebook business page gone. And you cannot do anything with social media efficiently if you cannot maneuver to your Facebook personal profile and Facebook business page efficiently. So, this is what our old look, which they call the Facebook classic look, used to look like. On the top here, I have my personal account. I know it's my personal account because it's talking about my friends. Back in the day, so with the Facebook classic look, you have to touch this top down faded arrow in order to find your page. Okay, I manage a lot of pages, so I have to click see more and actually find my page, Catherine Aird Social Media. By the way, make sure to subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Okay, so you get here, and this used to be our Facebook classic look for a Facebook business page. In this case, I would go here, I could do photo, video, and write a post and go on with my business. A lot of scheduling and tools would happen under the publishing tools, which with the classic look you find here. So to schedule posts, you would go there. These are your settings and so on. If I want to go back to my personal profile, I would click on the photo of my profile and then back on my Facebook business page by clicking the downward faded arrow. In this case, I manage lots of pages, so I would go here and find my page this way. Now, what happens with the new look for Facebook? If I go here and I'm going to switch to the new Facebook look, you can go, if you have the old look, try to click the downward faded arrow and go to see what the new looks look like, because this is where everyone's going to be really soon, is looking like this. On the new Facebook page, you have this icon here that's a flag that's called pages. This is where my pages are. These are all the pages I manage. Look how modern it looks. And then I would click on to my Facebook business page, and this is the new look of my business page. If I want to go back to my personal account, I go back here. This is my personal account, and this is my business page. Now, what happens, like it happens to our friend Susan this morning, what happens if this icon is not here? What happens if you're not seeing this? Maybe this looks different to you. Maybe you see your friends here. In this case, go to the home button, and this is where you have your home feeds, so feeds from your friends and family and people that you follow. And if you go here on the left, you will see pages here and shortcuts. If I click pages, I will see the pages and then go to my page, right? I maneuver back to my personal profile by going up here on the right. And then I want to go to my page. I have this, but if you don't have it, you go back to the home. And then this is where I go under pages. And then I will go here. Okay, this is where I maneuver to my business page. If I want to create a post on my business page, I click create post. And this is how I can create a post. It's telling me if you want to schedule posts, go under publishing tools and so on. But this is where you create a post. Last thing, if I go back to my personal profile, if you do this enough times, eventually in the home here button, in your shortcuts, I will end up seeing my page. And see how it says I can edit my shortcuts? These are pages that I have used before, so you can always organize your shortcuts so you would have the pages that you want come up first. So if I wanted to have, say, this group, I can decide to pin it to the top. So these are all things that you can look for. I can say Catherine Aird Social Media, and then I can say this one and save. I'm going to pin it to the top and save. And now when I go here, see, I have it as a shortcut. So essentially, this is how you can maneuver. Have a good day.